moonwalking because this one's space white. I like the space white ones. I get to show my personality a little bit. 5-liter V8, 2025 F-150. Just arrived with the black appearance package. Follow me this way. We're going to show it off a little bit. Black rims, black badging, painted door handles, nice step bar. We put some mud flaps on there. Nice 4x4 blacked out decals. Dual exhaust, black tips as well. Push a button here. Actually, I can do that with my remote. Tailgate's going to drop down nicely for you. 5.5-foot box. 120 volt plug right here. Okay, heated and cooled leather seats. Hop up in here. This one's equipped with memory seats, so 3 different memories that you can store, 1, 2, and 3. And then let's see that camera. Sorry about my hand. We're gonna fire this up with a push start. We've got adaptive cruise control. Everything just kind of comes alive here. Pretty fun. So we can cycle through our drive modes. So we've got a normal setting. You can let the vehicle know that it's a little bit slippery out there. What else? Off-road if you're going on an adventure. Tow haul mode, eco mode, and sport mode if you want to snap that head back. So yeah, easy enough to go through the drive modes, and you just do that by twisting this button. You got your 4x4 settings here. Your 2 high, 4 high, auto 4-wheel drive, and a 4 low, trailer brakes, and a pro trailer backup assist. So if you set up your trailer, program it into the system, you can use this as a steering wheel, and it will help you back it up like a pro. What else can we show everybody in this truck? So you got some nice comfort features down here. We've got a heated steering wheel, heated seats, cooled seats. I just hit the button for auto. Auto is something I use all the time. It's like the thermostat from your house. You just set the temperature. So I've got it set for a cool 22 degrees. And it's just going to regulate the temperature in the cab and keep it there. Really, really nice. Very, very nice. Big backup camera. It's going to show us exactly where we're going to go with the grid. And this one's also equipped with a 360 camera, which tells you if there's someone in your blind spot or something in your blind spot, which helps you not ruin your kid's day by running over their bike. Throw her back in park. There's a feature here where you can hit the camera. You can see what's ahead of you. I like this one when I'm actually going at slow speeds and I'm trying to get close into a parkade or something like that. I can actually put it on and just drive really, really slowly and see how much I can impress people by getting how close I can get with my front bumper. So throw her back in park so I don't run over the camera person. We got some hidden cargo there, classic glove box there, and some more storage here. This comes out and you can fit all sorts of stuff in there, as well as there's also a couple power ports in there as well. Let's go check out the back seat, shall we? Okay, we have a back seat. Welcome to it. So you got three seats here, 3 seat belts. You've got the drop down armrest / cup holder. You got a power sliding rear window. And if we put these seats up, voila, tons of cargo space back here with a little bit of like hidden storage here too, to allow you for storage without things rolling around. So really, really nice, and nice handle to pull myself up in it. And then we've got a couple plugins back here. So we've got the 2 micro plugins there, and then 120 volt 3-prong AC adapter there. So really, really nice that way too. Some hooks, headrests. Yeah, nice back seat. So if you're in the market for an F-150 and you like leather, heated cooled seats, 5-liter V8s, space white color, this one might be for you. Come and check it out at Merritt Ford in Carlisle, or give us a call or a text 306 453 4444.